Omukushaba ko mutano ayishomero ry'Isingiro Secondary School abeji bashabo kwebemeza mukama no kuba abacurezi omishomo yabo.
Has taken place. There is a lot that has transpired in our families, in the families of our OBs, senior 4 and senior 6, previous year, the candidates of last year. But the Lord was very faithful. He saw us through the year.
Theme yitebeli reawakening the sleeping giant. Ishomereri in the giant. Konkar kenda kubyama mukache ne chunchu shakache byama. Konka washimusi anchukuri. So when it to be muchize the sleeping giants, they are now the real giants.
Harukayo butumwa bwe Archdeacon wa Kabingo Reverend Venerable Dr. Abaho Thompson yajangwa beji obutakora kulunjo mu mashomero no butamanya ruhanga.
When we gather together in this hall and say thank you God and make everyone happy, there are so many people who were calling to find out how Isingiro performed. On social media, results were moving up and about. And also our results were also flying all over to see how Isingiro Secondary School performed. We cannot take it for granted, beloved. Yes, give the mic back to the Lord.
Nsima ruhanga abo kutabasa kushomesa abana aba kandi bakabasa kuhika. Of course kuhika kw'abana nikorwa mbintu byingi ekimwe n'abashomesa kabashomesa je nimba sima
abahona basima ruhanga ahabo kusingura ebyizo bya sina ya mukaga kandi bamwe habeje abakozere kurunji twagambaho nabo
kozero bonero 16
Gasha kwa Eli Achiza.